Here this morning at the Gifford Pinchot State Park here in near Lewisberry, Pennsylvania, and this morning we're going to try to get some fall foliage photos of this lake, which is a state park lake here just south of Harrisburg area. So come along and see what we can find. Not here 5 minutes and I see a photo already. Potential for a photograph anyway. This yellow boat up against the water here with the yellow trees in the background. Let's see what we can get here. This pretty much straight on initially, and then came in a little tighter shot, and then I got down low and used a telephoto and tried to bring more of the trees in from the background. So don't know which I'm going to like best. We're going to see later as I get into Photoshop and start working on it. Beautiful crisp fall morning out here this morning. We've had days of rain just last night, and this morning just pouring down rain, and this morning the clouds broke out bright and shiny here. The weather called for partly cloudy or partly sunny, and it's full-blown blue sky this morning, so I'm going to take advantage of it. So let's see what we can get here. I come out here to shoot fall foliage, and what do I see? Symmetry in the chairs. Let's see if we can't get a picture here. The first shot I shot, the top of the chairs were even with the tree line over there where the water is. If we get up just a little bit higher, right here you can see the chairs meet the top of the tree line, the bottom of the tree line. We get just a little higher, chairs separate from the water. It's a much better composition. I'm using the Holdfast camera strap this morning, the Money Maker, out of Tulsa, Oklahoma for the first time. So if you're like me, these cameras get heavier and heavier, and as the days get longer and longer, this puts the weight on your shoulders rather than down on the bottom of your back after a long day shoot. So heavy cameras, you can carry it and not feel the weight. So check it out. One canoe on a fall morning on a chilly lake. Let's see what we can find here. See a photograph off in the distance here. See if you can see it. See the two benches, the two red benches? just met Sergi out here today by the lake, and he's fishing in a unique style here. I thought I'd introduce him to you. Say hello, Sergi.
Hi, how you doing?
Sergi's from Russia.
Yeah.
A heavy accent, but I can understand him very well. So, show us how what you're doing here, Sergi.
Okay. I don't know what I'm catching today, but my ground base, my corn for big fish.
He's got corn here.
Yeah, this is deer corn for hunting.
What kind of corn?
Deer corn.
Deer corn.
For hunting. Go to Walmart, buy one bag.
And he puts different scents on it, different that he makes. He has a company called, he gave me a card earlier, Sport Euro
Fishing.
Sport Euro Fishing. SportEuroFishing.com. And
I moved this pump for 36 yards. No more. No short. See? "36 yards, no more. 1 point, 1 table, 1 deep smell, everything. No 40, no 30, no left, no right, nothing. Just 36 and straight. My hook live for 36 yards.
intrigued me was his what he called open hook fishing. Check this out. He's got a hook, and then this little extra wire here he wired on himself. And this is a float that floats to the surface, and this is bait, or what you call it, synthetic?
Yeah, this is synthetic corn.
Synthetic corn. And I've never seen that done before. But he said this is what they do this a lot in Europe, or something just you do?
No, I'm buying in Europe.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good technology. This is indoor technology.
Yeah.
Yeah, hook. This is hook, very expensive. This is hook from Garden Company. England hook costs maybe 19 cents 1 inch.
Wow. Weight?
Yeah, weight and feeder.
And feeder.
Yeah, this is weight, have 40 grams, maybe 1.5 inches.
Let's turn around here, get some sunlight on it.
Yeah.
Turn around here.
No, 60 grams. 60 grams, this is 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
Yeah, 2 ounces.
Interesting.
Yeah, local working. Picking up ground bait inside. This is special smell, you see?
Ground bread.
Ground bait. A little bit, but garlic.
It must be Italian fish.
Yeah,
Now indeed.
have smell.
Awesome.
Yeah. Small fish picking up. Small fish eat. This is ground bait, and you know it's carp. Oh man, what's going on? I'm going. This is food table.
Oh my goodness, that's huge. Can you see that, folks? I don't know if you can see that or not. That's almost 3 feet. What's his name? Maybe named him?
No. It's no name.
Big fish. You never know who you're going to meet out here. That's what the interesting thing is when you're out treasure hunting for photos. You find photos, sometimes you just find some very interesting people. So Sergi's one of them. So glad to meet you, Sergi, and hope you catch lots of fish. All right, folks, well, we're going to move it along here and call this a wrap for today, unless I see something on the way back as far as fall foliage. But got a few shots here, nothing spectacular, but you never know till you get out here and try. So if you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like button, and we'll see you next video. Thank you.